Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Okay, gardening can feel like a lot of work sometimes, but the right tools make it so much easier. And that's why I love this LEDERA 10-piece garden tool set. This complete set includes everything you're gonna need. It has a hand rake, it has shears, trowels, a weeder, gardening gloves, and more. They even include a compact spray bottle, and everything is neatly organized in a durable, easy to carry tool bag. That's my favorite. I love when there is something to store everything when you're done. Crafted from heavy-duty, rust-resistant materials, these tools are built to last through every season, and the handles are comfortable to grip. It reduces hand fatigue so you can garden longer with ease. I love how many different tools this set comes with because I have so many jobs around my house. Whether I'm trimming my trees, I'm pulling weeds, I'm replanting, or I'm even just watering my house plants, there's a tool for everything. But my absolute favorite is the gloves, because on the left hand, they have built-in plastic claws that make repotting or weeding so much easier. It's like having a mini rake right at your fingertips. I love these gloves. So if you're looking for the perfect gift, this beautiful tool set will make a thoughtful present for gardening enthusiasts, beginners, or anyone who loves spending time outdoors with plants. With the LEDERA Garden Hand Tool Set, you're not just buying tools, you're investing in more time, comfort, and joy in your garden. And that is my point of view.